When we talk to patients about the optimal vascular diet, namely the whole food plant-based diet with no added oil, also known as the Esselstyn diet, people are originally shocked and think, my God, how am I going to live without added oil? How do I cook on the stuff on the pan? Is it just going to stick and burn on the pan? Is it going to be tasteless without added oil? We find that's not the case. We find that many of our cooking classes, we bring in chefs from the GTA or locally and show people and sort of ice break around the idea of it's possible to saute things with vegetable broth or water, and it turns out fine. Nobody is injured. We can do all this stuff without oil, and the net result in the product at the end is usually not any, has no negative effects on the taste of the food. And what we do find after eating without added oil for a few days or a week or two, people then find that the film in their tongue and in their mouth tends to go away, and they very consistently report that they start tasting their food a lot better when they go to a low oil dietary approach. So much so that when they then go back weeks or months later and taste the high oil foods that they had before, many people find it pretty disgusting, and it sort of coats their mouth and they don't like the feeling of oil anymore. So this need for oil tends to be a habitual learned thing that you can unlearn with some patience, and in fact you'll actually be able to taste your food better once you get rid of it and enjoy your food. It's much the same as it's sort of like the good side of when people quit smoking. One of the downsides, of course, when you get the nicotine out of your system and your taste buds start working on your tongue again, you can start tasting your food, and sometimes that can go overboard and people tend to gain weight because they enjoy eating again after they quit smoking. The same thing is the case when they reduce the amount of added oil. They start finding food tasting a lot better, including the healthier foods that you've hopefully switched to by then, and healthier meals then start tasting much better and are much more enjoyable.